Hi, I'm Ellen Lindner from adventurequilter.com. Ever since this past August, I've been using Zoom to teach live classes and do presentations for gills. It's all worked out very well and has been extremely well received. I have 3 lectures that I do, and they all have very broad appeal to both traditional and art quilters. My newest is called Confessions of a Fabric Whisperer. It includes some of the wacky stuff that I've done over the years and lots of in progress photos. Some of the things I've tried have been successful, and others have resulted in interesting results. But I'll show you those as well. In my lecture, Playing with Fabric, it covers my journey from traditional quilter to art quilter. Along the way, I show you some useful techniques and also give you ideas for sparking your own creativity. Of course, we can never learn too much about color. In my 1 hour lecture, I will touch the tip of the color iceberg, but still share lots of valuable information. Viewers will learn how to use a color wheel and the drama of a complementary color scheme, among other things. I have 6 classes, and as an art quilter, all of them have to do with art quilting. Some of them have to do with a specific technique, and others are more conceptual, perhaps dealing with color or design. But all of my classes are good for new art quilters. I have 6 classes, but I'll let you read about most of them on my website, and I'll just tell you about 2 of them. My newest class is called Love It and Leaf It, and this is an easy 3 hour class. So since it's 3 hours, that's great for those who don't want to sit in front of a computer all day. Plus, it's a fun class. In the 3 hours, students will finish their composition, probably face it, and possibly even get it framed. On the other end of the spectrum is my class, Design Your Own Nature Quilt. And this is the most open-ended of my classes. In it, the students learn about design using a variety of exercises. And then they create a sketch for their own quilt based on their own photo. Finally, they create their own unique quilt, and it's based on their inspiration. This shows you some student work. They always do a great job. Please reference my website for additional information about my remaining classes. My website is adventurequilter.com. I'd love to work with your guild.